Today we're going to be making cookies. Welcome back to Reading Cooks, and today we're going to be making cookies from scratch. Now, usually on this channel we make famous chef recipes, but today's my birthday, so we're going to be making cookies. This is a simple recipe from Cook Me Food, and I'll put the link down in the description. Our first step is mixing these three simple ingredients: baking cocoa, flour, and baking soda. First, we're gonna start by adding the flour. Now we're gonna add the baking cocoa. I just want to taste the... Ew, that's nasty. So now we're gonna add the baking soda. Let's stick our spoon in there. Oh gosh. That's terrible. I know you're not supposed to eat baking soda, but I was just curious. So when baking something, the measurements of the ingredients are very important so you don't mess up anything. Now we're gonna mix it all up. This looks good, honestly. I want to eat it. It's not even like halfway done. We put it to the side. So now we're gonna mix our butter and sugar, and we need about a quarter cup of salted butter, and 4 tablespoons is about that. So what you want to do is you want to mush it down a little bit with the fork. The butter should be room temperature. We want about 3/4 cups of sugar. You're gonna need 1 medium egg, so no shells, perfect. So now we mix. You're gonna want to blend it until it's almost totally smooth. We're gonna mix our mixture in, but gradually, so 1/3 at a time. That's good. Oh my god, it smells so good! Let it chill for an hour, and I'll be back in an hour. So it's been an hour, so we're gonna take this cookie dough out the fridge. It doesn't smell that good. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. We will prepare a cookie sheet with parchment paper. We're gonna shape little like ping pong balls out of the cookie dough. So we're gonna try it about for 12 or 15 minutes. Okay. It's good. So I tried this, it's very good. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below, and you guys should try this and tell me what you think about it.